Okay, kids, for your reading time today, what you're going to do is you're going to go onto our Schoology homepage and you are going to get into the link to the virtual library. And let me show you how to do that. You can pop up the Bitmoji Classroom. You can click on the link to the virtual library, which is me. And here we have a library that goes along with our first inquiry unit, which we call boundaries. And a lot of the boundaries that we focus on are interpersonal boundaries, boundaries between people. And your assignment today is to choose the book Chrysanthemum, which is right here, and listen to the story read aloud, and then in your reading notebook, which is the back half of the book that you're using for word study, create a character portrait for Chrysanthemum. I hope you enjoy the text, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask.